Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Sunday. My name is Carrie, and I'm a full-time trader and mentor in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be an update on Bitcoin, and we're going to take a look at some altcoins that have the potential to really be bullish. All right, so I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible, and let's get started. Let's talk about the most bullish options first. Now, I'm not totally convinced that we're going back on a bull run, but I'm going to present the most bullish options. So the most bullish option is that this wave to the upside is the start of something, that it's an internal wave 1 and wave 2 inside of a big third wave to come. Invalidation is 26,525. So if it is not the start of something, it will be invalidated very soon and first. The next invalidation is sitting at 19,568. Coming underneath this low will invalidate this being a wave 1 and a wave 2 inside of an internal big third wave to come. Then if Bitcoin invalidates this low and fills the gap, then we'll be looking at 15,460, this low. And we will assume that all of this wave is a wave 1 and it's coming down for a wave 2. Now, an alternative bullish option is that this was an A wave and that it would be coming down for a B wave and then going up for a big C wave to get this 5 waves a partner. We wouldn't know which one it was, so you would trade it exactly the same because a B wave cannot break this low either. All right, so those are the bullish options. Let's talk about the bearish. The bearish option is that this was a C wave. We've been talking about this in all of my videos, that it would be a flat A, B, C, and that it would be complete, and that we would return to the trend in a bearish market, looking for a Y wave or a Z wave that would break this low and potentially come deep enough to fill the gaps that we have open at approximately $9,600 or lower. But let's talk about some alternatives and how Bitcoin could save itself. If it is put in an ABC flat or it is put in an ABC zigzag, it can put a connector here depending on how deep it comes for a B wave or an X wave. What this would do is give it the potential to give this entire structure, either coming from back here or coming from here, a partner leg. We would see probably the 1-to-1 up into the 40K, 50K area. In my bias, it would still need to hold this potential floor that we have built and not come under 18,100. Coming underneath that would just give the bears the advantage and change the sentiment of the market. All right, so that is Bitcoin in a nutshell. And to recap it very simply, we break this low, we are going to shift to a wave 1 and a wave 2. But this is an internal wave 1, wave 2. If we break this low, we're going to shift to this whole structure was a 1, and we're looking for a 2 or a B wave. Both of them cannot break this low. If it is the bearish option and that it put in a C wave, we are looking for a correction that is controlled and that holds 18,100, this support in the white box, that it makes a connector here for an X wave or a B wave so that it can give this structure a partner. All right, so let's take a look at some altcoins that have the potential to be extremely bullish. The first one on the list is ADA. You can see that the 4-hour is resetting itself much quicker than price. What we would look for is for this wave to be a wave 1, for this to all be an internal correction for a wave 2, and that this wave to the upside is a wave 1, and we're looking for a pullback for a wave 2 coming into the golden zone. Invalidation is this wave 1's low right here where the stop loss is. This has the potential to give this 5-wave move a partner. Now, if this fails and comes underneath this low, we will be looking at this as a connector. What it would mean is that this leg wants a partner leg. But even if this option happens, I am still looking for this 5 waves to get a partner leg. It would just mean that it's coming deeper, potentially wanting to return to its 618 retracement. All right, so the next one on the list is Gala. We've been looking at this for a very long time. We are looking at a 1-2-1-2 setup. This is a nest. Coming underneath the low of the second 1-2 would invalidate it. Then we would be looking at this low. Same as Bitcoin. If this ends up being a connector, it means that this wave wants a partner leg. It will mean that it probably wants to come and tap its 618 retracement. But I still expect this 5-wave move to get a partner, even if this setup fails. Remember, first invalidation, second invalidation, and then we're looking for this leg to get a partner, but it's a high probability that this is going to set up for at least a wave 1, wave 2. Okay, so the next one on the list is Sol. Sol has a nice leading diagonal to the upside and a pullback that can be a wave 2. We then have a push to the upside in 5 waves that we're looking at as a wave 1, and we're looking for a pullback for a wave 2 that we don't want this low broken. Now, if this fails and ends up being a connector here, we're looking for this leg to get a partner and for this low to not be broken. If this low was to be taken, it is the same exact thing. We would be looking at this as a 3-wave move connector and this leg getting a partner leg. It will return to the 618 retracement, and we will still be looking for this leg to get a partner. So even if this fails, it is still looking bullish for this 5 waves to get a partner leg. Okay, so the last one on the list is Phil. It has a nice move to the upside, potentially a 5-wave move that we would want to see it be a wave 1. We then have this move to the upside that could be a wave 1 pulling back for a wave 2. Coming underneath the low at approximately $4.50 will invalidate this being a wave 1 and wave 2. But we still have the option for this leg to get a partner leg and to come down into the 618 and give us a wave 2. Breaking this low would be the invalidation point. We are definitely looking for this leg to get a partner. Now, there is many more altcoins that are setting up this way. I just presented a few. I will continue to present more in my next videos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.